Hey!
Come here.
Excavator.
I like it.
The excavator is building a goal.
Okay.
Oh no! But it can't set up the goal frame.
Don't do that.
We need the crane's help.
Here. Hello.
Help me!
Nice.
Dump truck.
Thank you, dump truck, for bringing the parts.
So nice. Okay.
First, assemble the front.
Nice. Okay. I like it. Good job. I like it. It's amazing. Look at this.
Then, the base.
It's so nice.
Next, the body.
It's amazing. I like it. Come here.
Hey!
Look at this.
Now, the crane arm.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Nice.
Finally, put on the 4 tires.
Nice. It's amazing.
The crane is ready. Great!
Okay.
Let's help.
Crane truck.
Look at this.
The crane lifts the frame easily.
Okay. It's my time.
Mixer truck.
Look at this.
Mixer pours cement to fix the base.
Oh, nice. Okay. Good job.
Hey!
Nice.
Dump truck adds the net to the goal. The new soccer goal is ready. Hey, let's play, everyone.
Okay.
Hey!
Good job.
Woo!
Amazing. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.